Minasan, konnichiwa. Hello everybody. Today I'm at the Kuwait Road. It's known to be the Singapore Savory men's pubbing and drinking area. So we explore this area today. Let's go. So in front of me is the famous burger joint, Shake Shack. We have a coach over here and look at that. There's a big BMW and only open chapter 1. 2 for $10. Black coffee. There's another one. Meal. Now we have a temple here, man. The Junti Gong, which is closed at 4:30 p.m. Alright, let's move on. Creamy suppies. Hey, look at the car. Awesome, man. Delicons. Somewhere where we only know. This one, look at the flower. Should be a Japanese restaurant. Okay, never mind. There's a famous Kopitiam Tong A eating house. Look at all the food here, man. Focus music. Oh, they teach singing course right here. Pop guitar and pop music keyboard. Studio beauty design. And what is that? Genuine Panama hats. This session is the two-way route. Follow direction arrows. The hat I didn't know you needed, but now must have. So inside a lot of hat shops. Wow. Okay, I'm standing at the iconic Dong Ya building with 1939 on top. It looks very beautiful. I think everyone who grew up around here, they know this place. Ted Lim. And more pubs. Oh, there's some people taking selfies. And this side, look at the chairs, man. And tables. Very colorful. Happy hour. It looks like a wedding wedding reception. 招财猫 right here. Oh, there's an Esquina pub right here. And something Wong Kuen. So I'm at New Road now. You can see a very interesting restaurant here. 78 New Road. BBQ from China. And there's a Amsisa Sanctuary. Whoa. And this side is leads to the Chinatown, man. We have going to reach Maxwell Market already. I mean Maxwell MRT. And after that will be the Buddha Turai Temple, very sacred temple. And here there are more shop house. I'm walking at New Road now. It's a Donghua Xiaoci or Jinghua Xiaoci. It seems very popular during lunchtime hours. Right here, new dishes. 水晶虾饺 dumplings, chicken. It's amazing. There's a Long Yuan Tang here. They do some feng shui and astrology, fortune telling, and some other stuff. Hoya Foreign hampers advertising. What's this next shop? 510. And then this shop is very famous, the tea chapter. Wait, what's this, man? Sack door. Gas shift. Now this, even though there are church right now, both sides, and the black color stuff here. Bond. And there's some information about the station Jinrisa, which is a kind of trishaw here. It was introduced in Singapore back in 1880. And then by 1900s, early 900s, right, a lot of rickshaws around the streets, man. Wow. So right in front is the Buddha 2 Red Temple already, so fast. And on the left side here is the Metro MRT. Oh, I think the Buddha 2 Red Temple is undergoing some renovation. And there's supposedly a sacred Buddha 2 on the level 4, which they don't allow filming and photography. There'll be a security guard who will look you very sternly in the face if you try to whip out a camera or something, and then they'll stop you. It's already closed, man. Because now it's after 5 days. Oh, they close at 5 p.m. But look at the impressive, massive statue and the architecture, as well as the door kits. Actually, they look different, no? The statue over there is a right hand palm outwards. This one is a palm downwards. At first I thought they look the same. And then over here with the main Chinatown area, there are lots of tourists. From here you can see lots of tourists already. During Chinese New Year, this area this temple will decorate the temple with lots of lanterns and stuff. So I'll end my video right here. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe so that more people can find the video. Thanks very much. And by the way, Chinatown, this Buddha 2 Red Temple, they are actually undergoing some renovation. What's the hole for, man? Okay, never mind. So before that, there's actually this Chinatown Visitor Center. You can get some maps and also like asking questions. But it open until 5 or so. Alright, jam mata ne. Bye.